Hi, I'm Kathy Michael Sponheim. I'm a fourth-generation potato farmer of Michael Family Farms in Urbana, Ohio. We grow mainly brown white potatoes, and we love to feed our neighbors and share different ways that we enjoy potatoes. So with me today is my daughter Sadie. And Sadie, what's your favorite way to eat potatoes?
What's fries?
French fries. Well, it's a quick and easy way to add the perfect side dish to any meal that you're cooking. First, I enjoy a good potato gadget, and this is our fry cutter. Next, we just need a potato. Thank you. And then it takes a couple good pounds, but it's perfect. And you get perfectly uniform French fries. Open up your fryer. And in about 8 to 10 minutes, you have wonderful hot French fries. And we like to use like a Lowry salt or a seasoned salt on ours, or you can put any of your favorite seasonings on them. Again, we enjoy feeding our neighbors, and we hope you enjoy this way to make your favorite restaurant fries at home. Do you enjoy these fries? Me too.